Hey friends, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about how to connect your Cricut Joy to your computer using Bluetooth. If you've just unboxed your Cricut Joy and you're not quite sure how to get it talking to your computer, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your Cricut Joy connected and ready to start making all those awesome projects you've been dreaming about. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, so before we do anything else, make sure your Cricut Joy is powered on. Also, keep your machine within about 10 to 15 feet of your computer. Now, head over to your computer, click on the Start menu, that's the window icon down in the bottom left corner, and then select Settings. Once you're in Settings, go ahead and open the Devices option. Okay, here's what you need to check next. Make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. You should see a toggle switch right there. If it's off, just click on it and turn it on. Once Bluetooth is enabled, go ahead and click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Alright, now a new window is going to pop up. From the options you see, select Bluetooth. Your computer will now start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. So just give it a few seconds to detect your Cricut Joy. Once your Cricut machine shows up in the list, you're going to see a Bluetooth device code. Your Cricut Joy is now paired and connected via Bluetooth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.